Hey everyone, as I promised in my blog post, I am taking you along from an organizer's perspective on my renovation, and I am moving out. So I'm starting at the very beginning, and I do this for all of my clients when they're either downsizing, renovating, whatever it is. So I thought I would take all my followers on a little journey on my renovation and how I'm preparing from beginning until I move back in and unpack everything and organize it. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is exactly how I start with my clients. I always talk about my Post-it notes. So Post-it notes, when you're getting ready to move or renovate, they are a lifesaver because there are so many different things going on, and it just makes it so helpful. So for example, this is storage, and I love to use different colors, and these are the rugged Post-it notes. They kind of have a texture to them because they're outdoors, so they will stick and not fall off. So this, for example, is storage. So this chair is going to storage. So what I'll do is I'll leave that so that I know where it's going when the mover comes to move it. Now, I know you heard me say the evil word storage, but my storage unit is temporary. It is only for the 4 months while we are out of the house. I am not keeping it. After the 4 months, I am letting it go. So I had to say something there because I know I have talked about storage units. This is kids, so for my kids to keep so they can come and get it. And donate. Donate is huge because that way you're not confused and saying, oh no, that wasn't supposed to go there. So I like to use different colors so I'm not confused. And this really has worked for all my clients. I'm known as the Post-it note gal when you're getting ready to move. So this is the start of my journey. Follow along, and I hope you get some great tips for your own move and your own renovation.